in future husband, in future husband.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Husband kota sa toye mu hari pintai di balai basa.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Ma hari ta bhan ke loka bore na kiman kosto.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Tot ene ke hari lokaisu. Ha, biya hasu ni loko begitu.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Kunu biya hasu loko begitu mar khabi.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Only beside them in future husband tu.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know what?
Oh my god. Ki hobo bhai.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Oh my god. Ki hoise oi, oi, beside, jolly beside.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop